In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Salesflare notifications quickly and easily. If you're new to Salesflare, this CRM software can streamline your sales process by automating tasks and keeping you on top of every opportunity. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure notifications so you never miss an important update. Plus, I'll share how you can access this software for free with an exclusive bonus. Stick around for that. Salesflare is an easy-to-use CRM designed to save you time and effort by handling a lot of the manual work that usually slows down your sales process. One of its most helpful features is notifications, which keep you informed about your activities, customer interactions, and updates on your deals. So, how do you set them up? Start by logging into your Salesflare account. Once you're in, click on your profile in the top right corner and go to Settings. From there, you'll see a menu where you can choose the Notifications tab. This is where all the magic happens. In the Notifications section, you'll see different categories of alerts you can customize. Everything from reminders for follow-ups to notifications when a deal status changes. You can choose whether you want to be notified via email, on desktop, or through the mobile app. It's completely up to you. If you want to stay on top of follow-ups, toggle the option for follow-up reminders. This will prompt you when you're due for a touchpoint with a lead or client. It's a great way to ensure you never drop the ball on a potential sale. For deal updates, enable notifications for when a deal is moved to a new stage, ensuring you're always in the loop about where your prospects stand. One of the most powerful aspects of Salesflare's notification settings is its ability to sync with your calendar. This ensures that all your upcoming meetings, calls, and deadlines are neatly organized, and that you'll get a timely alert as these events approach. No more scrambling to check your calendar or worrying you'll miss a meeting. Now, if you want to take your notifications to the next level, set up alerts for when a lead opens an email or clicks a link you sent. Salesflare integrates seamlessly with email tracking, allowing you to know exactly when your prospects are engaging with your messages. This is incredibly valuable as it gives you real-time insight into how warm your leads are. Once you've set everything up, don't forget to save your settings. It's that simple. You now have a custom notification system that fits your needs and keeps you in control of your sales process without any hassle. By the way, if you're interested in trying Salesflare for yourself, there's a special deal just for you. You can access the software completely free with an exclusive extended trial. Check the first link in the description below. This way, you can start testing out all these awesome features, including setting up notifications to boost your productivity and sales performance. To recap, setting up notifications in Salesflare is straightforward. Just head to your settings, customize your notification preferences, and you'll stay up to date with everything that matters. Salesflare does the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what you do best, selling. Again, if you're new to Salesflare or just want to explore its features, be sure to check the link below for that exclusive extended trial. It's a great way to get started for free and see how much easier Salesflare can make your sales process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.